Welcome back. I'm really happy you're here today.
Yes, truly. Whether you're listening in the morning, at night, or somewhere quietly in between, welcome.
I'm Mike,
And I'm Sarah.
and today we're talking about something warm, something familiar, something that usually comes with memories,
Christmas.
and more specifically, how to talk about your Christmas in simple English.
Using the past. Gently. Naturally.
No pressure, no fast talking, just real English, the way people actually use it.
And before we start, just a quick friendly moment.
If these conversations help you feel more confident in English,
If they make English feel less scary and more human,
then you can like this episode, subscribe to the channel.
and maybe share it with someone who's learning too.
It really helps us keep making calm, honest English for you.
All right, let's begin.
So Sarah, let me ask you something very simple.
Okay.
How was your Christmas?
My Christmas was really nice.
Was.
Yes, was.
Already, we're in the past.
Because Christmas is finished now.
Exactly. So when we talk about Christmas, we talk about the past. Let's slow that down a little.
Okay.
Right now, today, I can say, I am happy.
But yesterday,
Yesterday, I was happy.
so am becomes was.
Yes, and is also becomes was.
Christmas was fun. Christmas was quiet. Christmas was busy.
Perfect. So Sarah, how did you feel on Christmas Day?
I felt relaxed.
Relaxed.
Yes, I was relaxed.
Nice and simple.
I was happy. I was calm.
You didn't say, I am.
No, because it's finished.
Exactly.
People can say things like, I was happy, I was excited, I was tired.
Ah, yes, tired.
Christmas can be tiring. Very true.
Let me ask another simple question.
Okay,
Where were you on Christmas Day?
I was at home.
At home.
Yes, I was at home with my family.
That sentence alone is powerful for beginners.
I was at home. I was with my family.
What about your parents?
They were at home too.
Were.
Yes, they were happy.
So I was, you were, they were.
Simple.
Now let's move to actions.
Things we did.
Exactly.
On Christmas morning, I woke up early.
Wake, woke.
Yes, I woke up early.
Nice.
Then I opened my presents.
Open, opened.
Regular verb.
Perfect.
I ate breakfast. I drank tea. I talked with my family.
Eat, ate. Drink, drank. Talk, talked.
Some regular, some irregular.
But all very common. Christmas food is always a big topic.
Always.
So, what did you eat?
I ate chicken and rice.
Simple. Clear.
I also ate cake.
Of course.
Everyone eats cake at Christmas.
True.
You can say, I ate dinner with my family. We ate together.
And we uses
We ate.
perfect. Did you get any gifts?
Yes, I did.
What did you get?
I got a sweater.
Get, got,
Irregular.
but very common.
I also got chocolates.
Nice gift.
I gave gifts to my parents too.
Give, gave.
Yes, I gave my mother a scarf.
Let's tell a small story now.
Okay.
Start with on Christmas Day.
On Christmas Day, I woke up early.
Good.
I was excited.
Nice feeling word.
I opened my presents and smiled.
Smile. Smiled.
Then I ate breakfast with my family.
Very natural.
In the afternoon, we talked, laughed, and relaxed.
That sounds like a real Christmas. Now let's help our listeners speak.
Yes.
They can ask, "How was your Christmas?
What did you do on Christmas?
Where were you?"
What did you eat?
Simple questions. Very useful.
My Christmas was good. I was at home. I ate dinner with my family.
I watched TV. I talked to my parents. I slept early.
All perfect A1 sentences.
Let's say something important.
Yes.
If you make mistakes, it's okay.
Very okay.
People understand you.
And every mistake helps you learn.
Was this Christmas better than last year?
Yes, it was.
Nice short answer.
Last year, I was busy. This year, I was relaxed.
Great comparison.
Now it's your turn.
You can say this with us.
My Christmas was...
I
ate.
I spent time with.
If you can talk about Christmas,
You can talk about any day.
your birthday,
Your weekend.
your holiday.
Today we used was, were,
Ate, went, got, gave.
and simple real sentences.
No stress.
Thank you for spending this time with us.
We're really proud of you for practicing.
If you enjoyed this lesson,
Like the video, subscribe to the channel.
and keep learning with us.
We'll see you in the next episode.
Until then,
Take care and keep speaking English.